Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for Lululemon. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to enter a promo code for Lululemon, what we need to do is head on over to lululemon.com. Now from here, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. As you can see, I've already got one here, so I'm going to click onto my cart. Alright, so I'm gonna, for this demonstration, grab this short sleeve graphic t-shirt. I'm gonna choose my size and add this to my bag. And now I'm gonna click on view bag and check out. This is where we can add in the promo code. So I'll show you exactly where to put that in. So when my bag, and then on the right hand side, we've got enter promo code. So go ahead and click onto that, put in that promo code and then click on submit. And whatever that promo code amounts to, if it's 10-20% off, that will get taken off your estimated total. And then go ahead and click on checkout and then continue your purchase.